G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel on this fine crispy morning. And we are at Bungarribee Park for the OMCC event, which is the Oldskool Muscle Car Cruises Club. And we're going to take a walk around and check out what's here. So grab that nice Aussie cold beer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Ford XR5 in immaculate nick. I like the rims on it. Always love this blue colour on these XW GTs. Lovely Mustang in the blue and the gold, nice combo. ZG Fairlane. My dad owned one of these in the 302, this one's a 351. XPGT panel van. It's got the engine up. For looks, nice. Got a lovely Tirana. In a beautiful blue colour. Check out the motor. Nice. Sasha's XE ESP in mint condition as usual. Looking wild. Also there's this VK SS in mint condition. Got the early model Holden. Looking sweet. Swing around to this XY GT rocking up. Ford Escort RS in the white, looking beautiful, and this tough looking XAGT in the red and black, roll cage and everything in it. We've got the Cortina 4.1 litre 6 in the lovely Simmons. We've got XYGT in the white and gold striping, looking sick. GTS Monaro in a lovely gold. XPGT in the lime green, sick colour. VK SS Group A, looking slick. And of course this lovely XY GT in the red. Tough Cortina, ladies and gents, in the purple.
I used to know, I used to maintain them. I used to maintain them. Not too hard. But I noticed.
Lovely white Valiant. I was looking at this Chrysler Valiant, ladies and gents. I've bumped into the owner, Josh. Josh, this beautiful beast, man. Tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, so it's a 1977 Chrysler Valiant, CL Valiant. It's got a pretty much all nearly original. So I've just had to maintain, you know, what I can. Just redoing the bonnet soon, so that'll be good, you know, and just the front here you can see a little bit of surface rust.
Yep.
So I'll just be redoing the front. Yeah, just redid a few things. The dash was badly cracked, so
yes, I repaired that.
I did it myself actually. Yeah,
good on you, brother.
Thanks, mate.
Got some skills there.
Yeah. Just thought I'd teach myself. Yeah.
That's it.
Just sort of bring the paint back to life. Like it's a.
How long have you had it for?
Bought it when I was 15. Yeah.
Oh right. Okay.
Yeah. We bought it. Yeah. So before I could drive it.
That's the way. So now.
Yeah. So
decided to do a restore.
Yeah, just a bit of a rester. Yeah.
That's
it. And just I'm going to leave it fairly original, like the paint, because you know it presents well. It's original. It does. Paint, so
it's beautiful.
I'm just going to get the bonnet redone. I've got some jelly beans, so I'm going to put some jelly beans on. It's just the nice. I'm going to keep these, you know, just to you know, keep heaps of parts because they're not easy to find. Yeah. Yep. So
100%.
Yeah. I've actually got the build sheet here if you want to see the stats of you want me to get it out or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can just have a read through there. Just pause that, ladies and gents, if you want to have a little read of that. It's on the specs. Lovely, brother.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Fantastic, man. Look, nice to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Building one of these fantastic.
Of course, yeah. Like you don't
Valiants,
see many.
No, you don't see these.
See
this
many,
model
either stolen or burnt. So
yeah.
it's good to drive a bit of Aussie history. It won the last Valiants too, so
yep,
after
correct.
This was a
I remember. I think this particular model was in Matlock Police, maybe.
Yeah, it was either Matlock or either the CL, but I think the earlier the VJs and the VHs were in Matlock mainly. A lot of the cop shows.
Yep, correct.
Yeah. So look, when we bought this, it was like we thought we were you know, police, you know, in the police officers. I guess it was pretty funny. Yeah.
Correct.
So it's been a lot of fun. Yeah, nearly 3 years now. So
excellent.
yeah, it's come up a long way.
That's the way, brother.
A lot of mechanical stuff and that I've fixed, and new radio or recently done radiator. All the brakes have been all completely new, pretty much. Because I only take it out on weekends, pretty mainly. So and then just the odd drive after work. So. Yeah, it's well looked after. Excellent,
brother.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for letting us know these bits and pieces about your car.
Of course, yeah. I've been a big fan of your videos for
Thanks,
a long
brother.
while, so
look after the beast, and we'll see it as it progresses along.
Yes, of course. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
All right, check out that Falcon that just rolled in immaculate nick. So yeah. An Aussie icon, this one. Lovely to see the young lad restoring this. Nice dark red Falcon XY GT. Looking beautiful. And this HSV. Got the Porsche. This beautiful Mini, ladies and gents. This thing has just come on the road, I think. And it's Anthony's car, and that's the guy that I've been in his VL, Walkinshaw, around the Summer Nats track. You can go and have a look at that video if you like, but yeah, this thing's nice. Beautiful.
When I fucking sort of stood, I'm like, I just sort of jumped back here.
One sick Beamer. Looking very, very tough in that matte finish. And the Dado, immaculate. Corvette, early model, convertible, sick. Check out the colour on this beautiful Mazda. Rotary. Very nice. Green WRX. And we've got a ski light, so whoopie whoopie whoopie. Yes, sir. The Toyota MR2. XWGT. XY Falcon. Let's have a look at this beautiful Chevelle in the lovely green colour. Check it out. Nice big block engine. Looking sick. This is beautiful. Check it out. Let's have a look at the interior while we are at it. Very nice. Those polished Simmons. Love it. Beautiful thick paint, nice and shiny. Love to take a bite out of this. Like a lolly. And of course another Chevelle. Looking schmick as well. In the lovely blue. Got the FC Holden. Immaculate condition. Ford Mustang. Looking sick in that colour. And the Bullet 2 one looking wild in that green and black. It's got a bit of a pull to it, looking sick. Ford F100 in the green. Wow. As we look at this immaculate XYGT in the blue and the one in the red next to it. Love the 5 slots. Both of these. In 5 slots. Let's have a look at the interior. Standing out. Lovely. Full immaculate. Two beautifully presented beasts. Alright, here we go. More, I guess the same ones coming through. The GTS Monaro in the blue. Down the road, beat. Have a look at the engine. For Muzzy GT350. One Tough XD in the blue. Love the shaker on it. Tough with that drop tank. Nice wide wheels. Lovely SLR 5000 in the lime green. Looking sick. And this beautiful one in the black SS coupe. Love the blue on the bug catcher. As I hear another beast coming. Got the Holden 6263 barn find. As we come to this GTS Monaro 2-door, looking wild. Have a bit of a look inside. Yes sir. 6364 Holden, immaculate. VF SS Commodore, immaculate again, Schmick condition. And this XC GXL looking wild. 12 slots. Sunroof. Sick. Nissan Skyline R34 in a lovely blue, the traditional, and those rims definitely suit it. Lovely. Toyota MR2 looking very, very wild. Got the Datsun Celica's, two together, looking beautiful. Both beautifully presented, nice paint jobs on them. Sick. Lovely paint job on this GTS Monaro as well, 4-door. So there's this GXL 5.8 litre XC Falcon, looking sick. And of course, the Chevy Corvette early model, another brave customer, rolled in. This lovely purple Ford Custom line. Check out the interior as well. Like the colour combination on it. Sick. And I think it's for sale. So just pause the video and have a read of that if you're interested. Sick. Charger's just rolled in. Oh, that's a lovely colour. Ford Mustang in the grey. Beautiful. Another beautiful Ford for sale. Swing around and have a look at this Mustang roll in immaculate condition. Got the Holden station wagon, mint. WRX, the GC8, yes sir. The Mazda, nice. Back to this beast, for sale. There's a number. Oh, check out this lovely interior, hey? Beautiful. Nice V8. GTS Monaro. Looking sick. Ford Futura, looking immaculate, just as good as this one. And the lovely 1-tonner GTS Holden Ute. The 55 Chevy. Got a bit going on under here. Shit. What's he got? With the wheels on the back of that, huh? Nice. Beautiful paint job, nice and thick. Some Datsun Ute rolls in. Lovely. 62 Falcon, Holden. Immaculate.
The accident happened this year.
Haven't seen this thing
November of this year.
on the road. Nice. Mint.
20 years.
That's why it's called.
Yeah, how are you, man? Mr. Sash. What's happening, lad? All good?
Not a
Welcome
great
back
deal.
to the channel, mate.
How you going, boys and girls?
That's the way. It's YGT, ladies and gents. Very nice. What a beautiful Hal Holden, mate. Oh yeah, we have the look.
That's great.
Mate, it's cloner than my place. Beautiful. It's like it's just come out of the factory. This thing. Nice. Yes, sir. Here we go. Oh, mate, this is immaculate. Station wagon Valiant. Nice. We've got a ski lice. Whoopie, 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 whoopie. Yes, sir. Go to V8 Merc. Yes, sir.
Yeah, exactly.
The lovely XD again. One better than the other, these beasts. Check this one out now. Two-tone. Nice rims. Beautiful. Lovely Holden special. Big motor. Sick stuff. Mate, these cars are top notch, all of them. Beautiful. So let's have a look inside. Very nice. Immaculate GT. Yes. Kingswood SL. Valiant Regal. Looking sweet. That's the V8 Merc again. Nice. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Purple XY GT and the purple and gold. Lovely colour combo. And another beauty. XY GT with the gold striping. Looking sick. GTR XU1 in immaculate nick. This is Tirana hatchback in pristine condition. So is his Kingswood. Holden. Wild. Mitsubishi Galant, ladies and gents. VR4 with the full immaculate motor. Got a bit happening under here. Let's have a look at it. She's Mac.
Pretty clean.
Lovely. How are you, lad?
Hello.
How are we going? All
Yeah,
good? Ladies and gents, as I'm looking at the car, I've bumped into the owner, Kane. Kane,
Yep.
how you going, buddy?
Yeah, good mate.
How's this beast of yours? Tell us a bit about it.
It's a 91 Mitsubishi Galant VR4, so it's like the first incarnation of Mitsubishi's rally cars.
Yep.
But yeah, built motor, auto, Motec, yeah, just over 700 horsepower at the wheels.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. The way you said it, like it's nothing, eh?
Yeah,
700 horsepower. And these things, they'd be pretty light, eh? How much do they weigh?
Nah, it's 1,500 kilos.
1,500, yep.
Yeah,
So she'd get up and go, mate, eh?
yeah, it goes alright.
Gone to the quarter at all? Or?
Yeah, 960,
960.
and that was a Cootamundra. And that
Oh.
was, yeah, off the gas at the end. It was sort
Was
of,
that this year?
Yeah, yeah.
200? Oh, I missed out, man. I was overseas.
yes.
That's why I didn't, yeah. Because you weren't there last year, were you?
I was there, but not with
Not
the car.
with the car.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought I didn't see it. Sick,
yeah.
man. This is immaculate. Lovely.
Yeah, so I tried to keep it with the bonnet down as factory looking as I can. So still
Yep.
got the climate control, the factory interior, but then I've got the digital Motec dash.
Fantastic, brother. You've done a magic job on this.
Thanks, mate.
Thoroughly enjoyed looking at the car and talking to you. Thanks
Yeah.
for letting us know
Thanks, mate.
about the car. And look after it, brother. And
I
we'll
will.
see it on the road.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Thanks, Kane. Ford Fairmont. 250 badges, but V8 under that. All right, we've got the clubby.
No, it's not photos, it's video. So I've just got my son out, he's doing a documentary on Valiants.
Check out this beast, ladies and gents. Bit of a lowrider, yes indeed. Nice.
This one? Oh, is it? The 3-1.
Got the Charger over here.
Nice.
Immaculate condition.
You know what I need? Another red one after you mock up though. See, I make charges and he needs, are there any coupes here? Need 2 doors? Like any VGs or anything? No? Yes, mate.
Another Wild Valiant coming in. A beautiful black. The Regal. Nice.
Hey, see, I should have got you driving in.
Should get a recovery cup, man, and get a bottle.
Yeah.
Torque
I want to try
flight.
and keep it clean.
I'd say that's the
I know,
auto
I'm
with
lucky,
it.
yeah, I would have
Very
if I knew you
nice.
were coming in, I would have shot you.
And another immaculate Valiant
Where are you going down that end?
station wagon. Check it out. V8 Mopar. Same model, just about. These two. And here's the V8 Merc. Nice. GTS HSV, looking beautiful. Look at those big wheels, huh? Nice. There's a Fairmont XA. Check out the Corvette. Nice. Very, very slick. GTS, HSV. And the barn find Holden wagon, 62-63 model. Park is packed out.
Yes, it is. It's good.
Another immaculate Holden, 60-61 model. SLR 5000, looking wild in the yellow. Ford F100, looking sweet in that green. GT350 Mustang in the white Simmons, looking sick. And this beautiful XD. Love the colour. Immaculate. And of course, the Camaro. Looking wild. The XA, we saw this Fairmont as it was driving in. Now we've got the XR US 2-door Ford. Got the Group A SS Commodore looking wild, and of course the 65 Ford Falcon convertible. Got the VL and the Maserati looking sweet. Very, very nice indeed. We've got the Ford Escort RS and the engine. Beautiful XY GT in the blue and orange, looking wild. Red XY GT looking crazy, yes sir. Is this Group A? Very, very nice indeed. The Brocky and this beautiful Ford XR Ute. Lovely GT. Now I'm not staying here too long for the music. The Chevy looking sick. Ford Mustang, yes indeed. And the lovely bike. Scale said woofy woofy woofy. How cute. Alright, check out the GTS music playing. And this beautiful wagon. Now I'm just filming these cars quick for the music. Check it out inside. Nice. There's another view from that GTS and this beautiful T-bucket looking sick. GTR XU1 looking wild. As so does this one. Alright, check them out. The red one looking beautiful as well. Bit going on under the bonnet over here. Nice. Check out the Camaro. Sick. Looking good with his kit.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed. Yes sir. Check out the Ford Mustang, eh? Immaculate. And the lovely Mazda 929 Rotary. And the barn find Camaro. All battered but looking very, very tough. Check out the lovely Cortina, ladies and gents. Sick. Wild. Now I might do crisscross over here. Let's see. Got the lovely Camaro. Look at the wide rubber on the back of that, huh? Lovely. And one immaculate full standard Commodore wagon. Got the Chevy Bel Air. All looking very, very tough in that matte finish. And of course this beautiful Datsun Ute. Nice Simmons on it as well. Got this beautiful International C300 looking sick and tough. This lovely Rotaries. It's actually Toyota Corolla. How you going, mate? Holy mackerel. Got the LTD. 12 slots. Luxury at its best. The lovely intercooler on the front there, looking sick. Of course the Commodore SS. One Wild Valiant, we saw this earlier. And the lovely tea bucket. Sick. Lovely Ford Falcon in mint condition. Back to this again. Lovely interior. The Regal Valiant 6. Beautiful. Barn Fine Holden. Wagon. Very, very tough with the twin carby sticking out the bonnet. And then you've got this American tank lowered to the max.
Hello.
Hello. Looking sick. HSV Maloo Ute. Beautiful. And the Clubby. Supercharged. Got a bit of music in the background again. Hopefully we'll get away with it. But now we'll look at the 55 Chevy Bel Air. Check it out. Immaculate. Beautiful paint, nice rims. Beautiful build. Look at the thick paint. Nice. Lovely SS Commodore in mint condition and the Simmons. Lovely Datsun. Nice. Read up through these ones for the music. Nissan Silvia. Toyota Corolla Wagon. Nice. GTS Monaro 2-door looking beautiful. Lovely colour. Check out the lovely Dado, ladies and gents, as well. That's it with the 351, ladies and gents. Clevo, nice. That's what I like to see. Lightweight cars with nice big engines in it. Sick. And of course the GTS Monaro over there. This is Group A, looking sweet. This is Commodore, immaculate. Bathurst Special Bronco 5 and the Perkins car, looking sick. SLR 5000 in immaculate condition, this white and black combo, very nice. And my friend Tony's Nissan Skyline, looking sick. Won an award yesterday. Lovely. Lovely F6 looking wild. This lovely silver Mustang. The Cobra Mustang, ladies and gents. Beautiful. Love the colour. Get a quick look at the motor. Little snippets because of the music. The beautiful one in the black. Sick. Love the colour on this Mustang as well. Looking very, very wild. GTS Monaro looking sick. Lovely interior. Beautiful GTS Monaro in the blue looking sick. The Barnfine GTS looking sweet. Check out the engine. A GT Barnfines. Yes indeed. This is Commodore. And the Mazda RX-7. Sweet. Check out the lovely RX-3. Very nice. Beautiful Holden looking crazy. In the green and purple looking beautiful. Look at the lovely interior. Nice. Got the lovely hot rod. Have a bit of a look inside. Nice. Oh yes, check out this lovely green Piranha. The wheels. Sweet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video of the walk around of the OMCC car event, the Oldskool Muscle Car Cruises Club. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.